Reports include the same behaviour options as forms, with the exception of the specific workflow commands that are not applicable in reports. There are also 3 extra behaviour commands specific to the report designer, and one of those is the refresh report command. When a report is opened, it will display the report data available at that time. If any data is subsequently changed whilst the report is opened, it will not automatically update in the report. The refresh report behaviour command, when triggered, will update the report. If a report is likely to remain open for some time, you might include a timer object which can be used to periodically refresh the report data. To do this, you will need to include a timer object on the form. It's a non-visual object, and that's displayed under the page in the designer. We will use the timer makes interval step event to trigger the periodic behaviour, but first we need to modify the timer settings. In this example, we will use a very short interval of 5 seconds, but that's only to be able to see the behaviour demonstrated. Normally you would use a much longer interval. The default end setting of 60 interval steps will determine that the periodic behaviour will continue for around 5 minutes and then stop. But by checking the loop checkbox, the behaviour will continue for as long as the report is open. We need to set the auto start option to start, so that the timer does start when the report is opened. With the timer settings done, we can now open the timer makes interval step behaviour event. On this event, we simply add the refresh report behaviour command. There are no properties to set, nor do you have to choose a data source, as when a report has more than one data source, all of them will be refreshed using this command. We can preview the report and will just need to wait 5 seconds to see the report refresh. That concludes the tutorial on the refresh report behaviour command.